Hello everyone, I'm Oliver Kovács, a Hungarian composer. In this video, I'll guide you through the process of creating captivating orchestral runs. Orchestral runs can build tension and serve as a smooth transition between different sections of a piece. Let's dive into some basic techniques. First, we need to choose a scale or chord for our notes. If you want to end on a specific note, start the scale from that final note and work backwards. For example, if it's important to finish on a C, begin with C and construct the scale in reverse. In this example, the flute plays the lower octave while the piccolo plays an octave higher. The notes don't always need to be an octave apart. You can also use other intervals. This allows for a richer texture with more instruments. For instance, instead of just using the piccolo and one flute, you can include two flutes, spaced a third apart. In the next example, I use a piccolo, one flute, and oboes. The flute and oboes combine to create diatonic triads, enriching the harmony. In this example, the piccolo takes the highest notes, the first violins play an octave below alongside the flute, and the second violins are an octave below them. The oboes fill the space between the second and the first violins, forming triads with the first violins. Lower register runs can be particularly satisfying and add depth to the sound. Here the bassoon plays alongside the cellos, while the clarinets fill the middle range, spaced mostly a third apart. When using all the string instruments together with octave doubling, you can create a rich, powerful sound. For an even fuller effect, you can add woodwinds like a flute and piccolo to the mix. Woodwinds blend beautifully with percussion instruments that have a definite pitch like the celeste or glockenspiel. In this example, the piccolo plays the highest notes paired with the glockenspiel, while the celeste plays an octave below alongside the flute. Of course, the harp is a nice instrument for orchestral runs on its own, or you can pair it with other instruments like violas for added texture. If you found this video interesting and useful, please like it, leave a comment and subscribe to my channel.